Hi, ako nga pala si Kit,
At ako nga pala si Lale.
mag-asawang empleyado na nag-uumpisa magnegosyo. Kaya tara, samahan niyo kami. What's up everyone? Good day, great day. For today's video, i-review natin yung pre-order couple watch sa atin. So let's go! So we have here the LTP VT01G na 34mm diameter for women and 41mm diameter for men. So this is a pre-order sa atin and first time to guys sa couple watch. It is an anniversary gift. Ito ay order ulit ng ating previous client. So nag-order siya ulit ng watch sa atin. So guys, trivia lang tayo dito sa ating watch. So this is a black dial, gold-plated bezel, and SUS 304 material. So for the price of this watch, couple watch guys, so dahil couple watch, discounted siya. So I gave this watch around 5,500 pesos. So that's the best we can offer. For the inclusion of the watch is the hard box, the tags, papers, and warranty card. So guys, brand new nga ito, so complete links naman siya. Then bukas, i-deliver natin to sa ating client. Nga pala guys, yung buyer natin is sa office ulit. So kung mag-a-adjust kami, break time, i-adjust ko na rin. So guys, thank you very much sa ating buyer. Happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. And more watches and anniversary to come. So yun lang guys, there you have it. See you on the next vlog. And laging tatandaan, keep grinding and don't waste your time. Paalam!